Are you looking for a fun family or couples getaway that's just a couple hours from Toronto? The Westin Trillium House at Blue Mountain has a great location right in the village and lots of amenities. This is Linda and Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and we went back and wanted to bring you an updated room tour so you know what to expect on your trip. All that and more coming right up. If you're interested in outdoors activities like hiking, mountain biking, skiing, and snowboarding, it's so great to be able to stay right at the bottom of the mountain. What's nice about Westin Trillium House is that it is also right at the village at Blue Mountain. So for friends I'd rather be going to some restaurants and shopping, that's right there too. We just wanted to highlight a few amenities that you can find at the hotel. They have a nice outdoor pool and hot tub to enjoy. In the lobby, there's the Oliver and Bonacini Cafe and Grill, which has a large dining room and a nice outdoor patio. I think the views would be awesome and really nice in the summertime. Just before we get into the room tour, I wanted to pop in here and share, as we do every year at this time of year during the season of giving, we're going to donate all the proceeds from our merchandise store to Feed Ontario. That way you can both help support a family and get some awesome merchandise. Aaron's favorite is the Life is Good t-shirt. Feed Ontario is our local food bank, and for every $1 donated, it can buy 3 meals. One thing that surprised us was that 40% of the people accessing our local food bank are children. Our website and also the Feed Ontario links are in the description below. So let's get into this room tour and stick around because after we'll share what we liked and didn't like about the Westin Trillium House at Blue Mountain.
Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we are at Blue Mountain in Collingwood, Ontario, and we're going to show you the Westin Trillium House, which is a Westin branded hotel here on property. So let's go ahead and show you. This is a 1 king room. So it has a king. It also has this nice little seating area, and it's an efficiency style. So you get, a little kitchen area, which is great. You got your microwave up here. You've got a burner so you can cook some food. Above here, you have your usual pots and pans. Oops. You got cutlery and stuff. Oop, not in the first one. In the second one, you've got cutlery and such. Knives, wine opener. And some more pots, pans. Nice little box grater for cheese. You do have a dishwasher. Not huge by any means, but it gets the job done. The food and stuff is ours here. Above here, though, you have plates, wine glasses, some bowls, things like that. Over the last side, you have your toaster, mugs, and a kettle. And then here you have your little coffee station. It isn't Keurig, it's its own brand, or its own type. And then you do have coffee, and you have creamers, and so forth. And then down here you have a fridge. Does keep things reasonably cold. This is some of the stuff we brought up, including some freezer packs, and those are still cold, so that's nice. You have a garbage. And that's it for this little kitchen area. You do have some nice, mountains and so forth. You have a table here for 4. Nice light fixture. This is a view towards the seating area that does pull out. Let's go into the bathroom. I'll show you that. So here's the bathroom. Now, one of the nice features of this bathroom is over here, you have a shower. So reasonably large shower. However, it is tight. So if you don't have a lot of space there for your arms and so forth. There is also a bathtub, so that does come in handy as well. Again, we do have some of our stuff out. Here is your little sink area. And then above that, you have your big mirror, and you also have the makeup mirror on the side. And then you have your restroom, but there is also some towels, or some robes, not particularly thick, but quite nice. So let's go back to where I was, right here. And I'll show you back once more. On our left, there is a nice little closet. You got some pillows above, clothing area for hanging, safe down here, and an ironing board and iron on this side. Okay, that's basically all that you've got in the closet here. Another mirror. I'll show you the seating room, at the end, I'm just going to go left onto this side, and you will now see the bedroom. So I'm going to start from the washroom. So this is the other side of where we were for the washroom. So it does connect on both sides. And then over here we have the bed. That's a king size bed. Additionally, you have power outlets here in the lights for both sides of the bed. And if I go around, you have a TV here. We brought our Chromecast. And so fairly small, bit of an awkward position in this room specifically. So, it could be difficult for multiple people. You have these great big windows. Lets a lot of light in, but you do have this tree here. Nice thing for the summer, screen guards. So if you want some of that nice air, you can have it open. And again, on the other side here, you have another table. The phone plugs in on the side, and there's not much in here. Just the books, the Bibles and stuff that you find. Empty. All right. Over here, this is a lot less sturdy. So maybe those will be fixed at some point, but I wouldn't put, well, let's just say they're there. Okay. Let's go back into the main area here. Show you really quickly. These tables also have plugs in them. There are some plugs in the back, as you can see. However, they're not particularly easy or in great locations. Again, we have another TV on this side. You have your climate control and a button for the fireplace I'll show you in a second. This is some additional bedding. Again, this does pull out. So if you want that, you can pull it out. We can have 4 people sleep here. Nice little seating area. Again, fireplace. Well, that's a nice addition, and it does provide warmth. I don't feel like there is a fan in it, but it does radiate heat. And let me show you outside. This is first floor. Great if you have kids or little pets that is pet friendly. You can have a little bit of roam around area. And there you go. That is Blue Mountain. That's the village. Let's go outside. Little seating area. Can show you back. That's the main part of the building. And then that's our room. Okay, let's go back in. It is a little cold. It's about 3 degrees Celsius currently here in Blue Mountain, Ontario. Again, I'll show you the seating area. Quite nice, pretty comfortable. And I'll show you back. And we'll update you with things we liked and things we didn't like from our initial review here as I pass it back to Erin. Thank you all very much.
It was such a fun few days away, and when we got back from hiking, it was nice to relax with some water and a snack in front of the fireplace. This was the 1-bedroom suite. We have another review of a standard room. There are tons of room options, but they all have a cottage feel, a fireplace, and other amenities are the same in all the rooms. We did really like the design. It was a comfortable upscale cottage feel. Another thing that we liked was the big sliding door with a screen. It was nice to get some fresh air, and it connects you outdoors with nature a little bit. We did enjoy the proximity to the village and enjoyed walking around in some of the restaurants that they had there. I am also super cheap and didn't want to eat every meal out, so having the kitchen was great. The mini fridge fit a good amount of food and kept our ice packs frozen, so you could definitely keep food frozen. Having a stovetop and a microwave means you've got tons of options for meals. Also, the little dishwasher was nice because I'm on vacation and I don't want to be washing dishes by hand, so being able to pop them in the dishwasher and have it run while we're out exploring was great. And often the housekeeping would put the dishes away for us. So let's look at some of the things we didn't like. One of them was that some of the furniture was clearly worn. It's not a big deal, but it's something to note. And on that same wavelength, this room can fit 4 adults, so having some extra storage and drawer space would be nice. I do like my packing cubes because I can stack those and it helps, but really we had a hard time coming up with many more things we didn't like. It's also good to note that you can use your Westin points when booking here. Aaron loves saving his points, but I'm ready to use them up. A little story for us is that we turned on the fireplace one night and we could not turn it off. The switch wasn't working. It was getting so hot in the room, even with the door open. We definitely could not leave it like that all night. So eventually when we realized we had no idea how to get this to turn off, we called the front desk and the service guy came really quick and fixed it, which was awesome. All around the service here was great. Have you ever stayed at the Westin Trillium House Blue Mountain before? Did you think it was worth the price? Do you have a favorite weekend getaway destination in the Toronto area? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas and opinions. Also, if you're interested in some more of our content, we have another channel, Flamingos in Wonderland, where we talk about all things Disney and theme parks. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Remember, memories are forever, so make them fabulous. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.